when the game is on. I like slam dunk to take me to the hoop. My favorite play is the alley-oop. I like the pick and roll, I like the give and go, and it's basketball. Bow wow, let's go. I'ma act a fool with it. I might cross you up and fake one way. Turn around and hit you with the MJ fade away. I'm throwing down passes like J Kidd, taking catch to the rack and I'm dunking on the right. See Mac when I'm in the plane, I play with that Lonzo style. I'm like Darius, cause I can shoot
too many players get offers like me.